Okay, we will prepare materials. Okay, first is to collect the shavings, bamboo shavings. And collect the shavings, grip the outermost part. So look like powder. And collect thinner. The tender or shavings. Next one, feeder stick or flame catcher to cut the flame into large fire. Okay, this is inverted fire, so as you can see they have two sides, but we need only one side. They decided that we're going to use sharp it inside. Sharp like my knife. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is plus pan. Plus pan has been used. If the plus pan little bit thick, minimize the thickness. Reduce the thickness. Drill tiny hole. Once you feel the tip of your knife, turn upside down and make guiding knot. Guiding knot and tiny hole, only one spot. Pointed stick. Okay, this is ember trigger. After rubbing, break the ember. Okay, the last one. Shaving holder, a piece of bamboo brick at the middle. The 6 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's go back to the shavings. This shaving still rough. We are going to roll to our palm. Fine. Make it smooth. Okay, if this is smooth, divide into 2. Okay, the hole don't block the hole. So put in between of the two shearings. Shearing holder, put on top to keep the shearing in place while you're rubbing. Okay, slide until the guiding nut. Purpose of guiding nut, once you rub to maintain one direction, not different direction. Okay, we are going to start slowly. If you see the smoke, try to increase your speed to create friction. Faster, harder. Break the ember. Okay, remove this. For the shearing, turn upside down. Put it back. Then capture.
Wala kayong no-choice.
Ayun.